It's true that newer, modern vehicles come with impressive stereo systems straight from the factory, but that doesn't mean they can't be better. For many car owners, the stock stereo just won't cut it, and thankfully there are plenty of cost-efficient ways to upgrade. Whether you're looking for better sound quality or want to add some real bass to your stereo, an amplifier is necessary to get the most out of your speakers, especially if you're using aftermarket speakers. If you're planning to add a separate subwoofer, an amplifier is almost a necessity to power it. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best car amplifiers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Boss Audio. Boss Audio has been manufacturing audio and video products for over 30 years, with the goal of delivering clean and powerful sound. The company features in-house acoustic, design, mechanical, and electronics engineers, along with global manufacturing partners to produce state-of-the-art products. With over 400 car, marine, and powersports products sold in 130 countries worldwide, there's a good chance Boss Audio offers something to fit your budget. The company offers a wide assortment of amplifiers, many of which are affordable and competitively priced. If you're looking for a decent way to upgrade your stereo without spending a significant amount of money, Boss Audio's amplifiers are a good place to start. Number 2. Boss Audio Monoblock and 2-Channel Car Amplifier. Another line of amplifiers from Boss Audio come in the form of monoblock and 2-channel, with power output ranging from 1,200 watts to 2,500 watts. The 1,200 watt 2-channel amplifier has max power of 600 watts at 2 ohm by 2 channels, or 300 max power at 4 ohm by 2 channels. It can also support up to 1,200 watts max bridge power at 4 ohm by 1 channel. The other 2-channel amp offering in this lineup is a 1,600 watt unit with 800 watts max power at 2 ohm by 2 channels, 400 watts max power at 4 ohm by 2 channels, and 1,600 watts max bridge power at 4 ohm by 1 channel. If you're looking for a monoblock amp, this lineup offers 1,500 watts, 2,000 watts, and 2,500 watts. The amps feature MOSFET power supply, low and high level inputs, variable filter, variable bass boost, and remote subwoofer control. Number 3. Rockford Fosgate. One of the most well-known brands in the car audio industry is Rockford Fosgate, having been associated with the market for decades. As you can expect, the company offers plenty of different amplifiers, but these are more expensive options. If you choose to purchase an amp from Rockford Fosgate, however, you'll get a higher quality product that is likely equipped with proprietary components, resulting in better sound quality. More importantly, many of the company's amplifiers feature a case design that allows for more effective heat dissipation. Like other high-end electronics, the cooler they run, the better and longer they'll perform. With such a large lineup of amplifiers, you may need to do some extensive research before you narrow it down to exactly what you need for your system. But here are 2 recommendations of highly rated and popular products from Rockford Fosgate. Number 4. Rockford Fosgate Punch Ultra Compact Amplifier. Rockford Fosgate's Punch BRT lineup features mono, 2 and 4-channel 300 watt amplifiers. These are ultra-compact amplifiers designed to save you space, while offering decent power for your stereo, and come with a 1-year limited warranty. The mono amp has MOSFET output stage, at 12 decibels octave Butterworth crossover, as well as high and low level inputs. It is rated at 300 watts at 1 ohm RMS power rating, or 150 watts at 2 ohms, or 75 watts at 4 ohms. The 2-channel amp also features MOSFET output stage, and a 12 decibels octave Butterworth crossover, with rated power of 100 watts x 2 channels at 4 ohm, 150 watts x 2 channels at 2 ohm, or 300 watts x 1 channel at 4 ohm bridged. The 4-channel amp has all the same features as the other 2 models, along with a 2/4 channel input switch. RMS power is rated at 75 watts x 4 channels at 4 ohm, as this amp can only operate at 4 ohm. It is not bridgeable. All power ratings on Rockford Fosgate amplifiers conform to C2006 industry standards, which means the output power ratings are real power numbers, rather than inflated marketing ratings. Number 5. Pioneer. Although Pioneer's lineup of amplifiers isn't as extensive as other manufacturers, the company has established itself in the audio industry with quality head units, speakers, and subwoofers. Its amplifiers are priced as mid-range options, offering good performance and quality at an affordable price. If you have never heard of Pioneer, the company was originally founded in 1938 by Nozomu Matsumoto, who made speakers in his garage. Since then, the company has been on the forefront of various electronics technologies, and introduced innovations such as the consumer laser disc, car CD player, GPS car navigation, and more. Pioneer offers mono, 2 and 4 channel car amplifiers, and we'll take a look at 2 of its most popular ones below. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.